What you guys, got a really quick video here for you on how to create your own audio CDs with a free piece of software called Imgburn. Now this one's been requested by a couple of my YouTube members asking how do you create your own audio CDs from music that you've created yourself using a free piece of software. Well, free piece of software is called Imgburn. You can download that at imgburn.com. Now here I've got a folder with some songs like so, and they're just named song 1 to song 20, as you can see. Now this could be any type of audio file, okay, and what you need to do here is download Imgburn and install it. I'm not going to go through and install it, I'm just going to show you how it works. So here we've got our Imgburn. Once it's opened, I'm going to pull this down. Now what we need to do here is create a Q file for our songs. Now there's a couple of ways of going about this. You can either hit the tools button and then create a Q file, or you can go mode and then write, and then just down here you can see create a Q file, and there's a little music icon on there. Okay, so we're going to click on that. Now once you've done that, you need to come up to the top right hand side here where it says browse for files. Now we can leave this as is. I'm going to click on that. Now we need to locate our songs folder where you've got all your songs stored. So I'm just going to highlight all of these and then click open. It's just going to analyze these audio files and then put them into an order. Okay, so that's now done. Now you've got a couple of options here open to you. You can see we've got our song list here. We've got session 1. Now we've got the pre-gap. The pre-gap is the amount of space that you want between each song. Now you can leave this as 0 seconds, and as soon as one song finishes, it'll go on to the next one. And I'm going to leave that as is. Now the text, CD text, is the actual names of the songs. Now if you've got a list of songs like this with no names or titles, you can create your own text file and then add that in, okay, and add the text file in by putting file name, and it will add that in for you, okay, and you can point to that location. Now I'm just going to leave that as is and leave it blank. Now once you've done that, we can then click OK. You can leave this as is down here, as I said. Click OK here. Now it wants to create the Q file, and I'm going to leave that in the songs 2013 folder with all the other files. Now that's now completed. Now you can see here it's not lit up, and that's because we need to put in our CD, and I'm just going to quickly do that. So once you put your blank CD in, this will light up like so, and then all you need to do is click on this button here, which is now write. As you can see, it's going to point to the Q file and then write this CD. Now I'm not going to complete this process. All you need to do here is either leave verify to verify that it's burnt okay, and we call it burned because that's what it's doing on the disk, or you can call it write or whatever you want. But the disks you need to use are the 700 megabytes 80-minute long discs, okay, and that's the ones you want to use for this. Now you can use audio discs, special audio discs created for music, and they're the ones I would advise you to use, okay. Now this method can be used, the same procedure, you can use it for all types of file formats, for example AAC, APE, FLAC or WAV files or anything like that, and it will do those audio CDs for you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, then please hit the subscribe button, guys. That will keep you up to date when I upload new videos. And also, if you enjoyed the video or disliked the video, then hit the like button or dislike, whatever you see fit. Okay, so thanks again for watching, guys. Bye for now.